Hi guys, welcome back. I was planning on resting. Today, Sunday, and I did. I got my nails done and I got a pedicure, so I feel good. But yeah, anyway, I was like, oh, should I get ready and film later? And anyway, point being, I didn't feel like getting ready, so I just threw on a lip liner and a hat and called it a day. So you get what you get and you don't get upset. Let's get into Sephora haul. So what I originally went in there for was the brightening serum by Sunday Riley. I've been wanting a serum for the daytime, and I also want a serum for nighttime. I remember, if you've been watching for a while, you probably know I loved Sunday Riley Sleeping Night Oil, and I haven't had it in forever. Plus summertime, you have to wear SPF if you use it, because the retinol oil, the retinol in it can cause damage with the sun UV rays. Yada yada yada. Oh, also, I am having a glass of wine because I picked up a bottle today for the first time in a long time. I felt like for red wine anyway. And we just had dinner, so you know, this is my glass of wine. I need somewhere to put it though. I guess I'll put it right there. That works. Yeah, I just wanted something for like the daytime to have beneath my moisturizer, because I feel like my moisturizer is good, but it's not like doing anything for my skin. It's just hydrating it. I heard good things about this one. Anyway, I walk in, as soon as I walk into Sephora, I see this amazing little freaking kit. So it's the ultimate travel bag, face, body, and hair. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this. This stuff all seems okay. Hey. If that glass of wine spills, I'll freak out. So this is what it comes in. I'll do a thumbnail. Okay, so in this bag, we get so many little goodies. I'm so excited. I haven't read up on every single one, but let's just dive in. First thing that comes out is these Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, which apparently the guy said is like really amazing. He loves this. I've been wanting a good eye cream, so that's that. Next thing I'm pulling out is 7-night supply of Beauty Z's. Helps promote a restful beauty sleep. Melatonin and B6 dietary supplements. So it's 7 nights of this. I have melatonin and I don't know how I feel about it, but I guess this is good if I'm ever going on a trip or whatever and I really can't sleep and I'm gonna think I'm gonna have trouble sleeping. It's good to have a little packet. The next thing I'm pulling out, hey, I thought there was 2 of these. Yes, there is the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner. They also come with the shampoo. And I like this because it's actually, I like the size. It's a nice size. It's not like a little like 1, 2, it's probably like a couple uses. And I've actually really wanted to try this for a long time. I hear good things about the Caviar. So nourish and restore dry hair. It's good. This next thing I don't think I'm gonna care for because I'm a weirdo and I don't like to wear sunscreen. Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum 40. Actually 40 is good. Water and sweat resistant. Super Goop. It's a nice travel size. I could say that. 40 sunscreen. Okay. Then we have Bostica. This is like a cream. And this is, geez, it's so cool. It's like swirled. 2-part gel and cream deep hydration moisturizer. That's so cool. Oh. This one, the guy said, is like the new thing. It's like the biggest selling moisturizer. This is, I don't know how to say it, Laneige Special Care Water Sleeping Mask for all skin. It's like purifying and moisturizing. Water sleep tox. I don't know if it's just for night. Have you guys heard of this? Never heard of it. He said it's like the new it thing. Then, oh my gosh, this product, I love it. I tried it out in, okay, it's called Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. They have like a hand cream, they have a body cream, they have this, the Bum Bum Cream, which is for like tightening. They have like body glow, and it's to, apparently it's to like tighten your like legs and your butt and whatever. I don't believe that. Don't believe it, but it smells so amazing. I believe it's like pistachio and caramel. So nice. You need to smell this. You need to smell this. I want to lather myself up with this. Like literally, I should have bought the hand cream. The hand cream was a little bit of a different scent, but still really, really nice. Like I can't even explain it. It's like so freaking good. So I don't even care about the tightening aspect of it, but I would probably just use this to smell good and just get moisturized. So I like that. This thing I don't know much about. The Essential Cream Fluid by Amore Pacific. Have you guys ever heard of it? I've actually never tried this brand before. Experience the lightweight texture, instant hydration of a fluid with a long-lasting benefit of rich cream. 1 to 2 pumps after cleansing and toning. I'm down. Okay, the next thing is the Bosica. How do you say this? Bosica. I know it's been around forever. Luminizing Black Mask. It's a peel-off mask. I've never tried this brand mask. I know it's like the most popular, I feel like, but I've never tried it, so I'm excited. I want to try that. And then, Origins Check and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of this. Because I feel like this literally strips all the good oils on your face. I like the way it feels. I like the frothiness of it. I do like the smell of it, but I feel like it's too much of a squeaky clean. I think I remember that from this. You guys know what I'm talking about? Have you ever tried it? I don't know. Maybe I'll just try it again. It's good, I guess, to bring with you if you're traveling and you don't want to bring like a big bottle of something. I would probably take that. Ooh, my husband's about to come here. Babe, what are you doing?
Push.
Okay, be careful. Come on. Hubs. Lastly, we have this, which is in this. And this is the good stuff. This is what I really wanted. So, the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum, the gold standard of vitamin C to rapidly brighten the appearance of the skin and to boost vital skin bounce in a flash. So, seems like a good amount. I'm very excited. This is what I really, really, really wanted. So, the bigger bottle is like $85, so I didn't want to buy it without like trying anyway. So I get to try the things, which is good. And then lastly is the Claudel, which is super popular. This is the Beauty Elixir Smoothing Glowing Complexion. So I did spray this on in the store, and it kind of just like gave me more of a glow. I don't know how. I don't like the smell. I'm not a fan. It's rosemary and something else, but it just has like a weird smell, but I guess it's just meant to smooth out the face. Do you guys like this? It's a pretty good size. And then this is a cute little pouch for travel. And then I had over 400 points in Beauty Insider points, and I'm glad I saved them because I got really good stuff. I only got 3 things though. Alright, you gonna stay put or what? So then I asked for a sample of another vitamin C oil, and this one's from Drunk Elephant. So I got a sample of that. That one's more expensive. My friend loves it, so I guess we'll see. And with my Beauty Insiders, I got these 3 things, which I'm very excited about. Normally they don't really have things that I like. The first thing I saw was the Tarte Tarte Maracuja oil. That I can probably use for my nighttime to add to my routine. Such a cute little bottle, right? So that I'll use for my nighttime, probably like as a treatment. Also, Got my Good Genes lactic acid treatment. Deeply exfoliates for a clear and radiant complexion. Visually brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And this product is amazing. I have a review on it because I literally love it so much. But I just haven't bought it because it's so expensive. It's such a little baby. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it for like emergencies. And then lastly, Chloe perfume Nomad. I've actually never smelt it until today. It's a little roll-on, and if you guys know, like, I never really loved roll-ons until recently. So it's a little travel size Nomad. It's really good. I like it. And it is a perfume. It's not a Eau de Toilette. So very good like beauty points, right? And they also had a Glam Glow mask, which I was like, wow, that's crazy. And then I went to Whole Foods and got some things, but I also picked up another one of these. If you've watched my videos before or saw my bulletproof video, then I talk about this. But I did get another one because I didn't run out yet, but I'm like at the bottom of it and I'm like, no, I have to get more. And this is for, you can throw it in your smoothies, in your bulletproof coffee. It's collagen peptides for dietary supplement for hair, skin, nails, joints, and bones. And so far, I'm loving it, and so many good benefits about taking this for like beauty, for your skin, and to strengthen your hair and nails. That is my Sephora goodies, and I don't know if this was boring or not, but I did want to show you what I got. Yeah, because yeah, I'll be testing this stuff out. I will tell you if there's anything that stands out that I absolutely love. I'm gonna go. I have a lot of editing to do, and I might vacuum this room. I may not. I have to, but anyway, yeah. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.